Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Take a 2D sketch, select here XY plane, take the line command. From the center point, make a straight line, select here, here and make a close profile. Go to dimension, take a total dimension of 14 mm, define this as 2 mm, okay, define this as 6.5 and define this as 8 mm, okay. Finish sketch, take revolve and select this axis for rotation and press OK. Okay, go to origin, select XY plane once again, go to create sketch, take the circle command and make one circle profile of diameter 23, enter. Okay, go to dimension, select the center and here select this edge. This will be at 18.5 mm. Okay, now we want a center line here. Go to line command. From the center point, make a straight vertical line. Escape, select this line, make it construction, go to dimension. From this center, this dimension here will be of 23.5. Okay, now take the line command and here make one line here, enter, and here we'll select this endpoint and make one line here. Now take here tangent constraint. So we will go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Okay, now here escape. Now here you can see a gap has been created. Go to project geometry, project this face, go to dimension, here select this, rotate, and here select this point. Define this dimension 1.5 mm and enter. Go to front view. Okay, now this is also constraint. Go to trim, trim this profile and trim this inner profile. Okay, go to line command, select this point and make one line here. Now here go to dimension, select this and select here. Define this angle at 40 degree and escape. Select this, make it construction. So this is for just for reference. Go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 10, enter, and here make one circle of diameter 4, enter. Okay, now go to dimension, select this and select here. Define this at 17 mm. Okay, go to line command and make a joining profile between them and make one line here. Take tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line, select this line, select this circle and escape. Go to trim, trim this profile, this and this. Okay, so this profile has been created. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch. Now here you can see this is an open profile. So go to line and here make a straight line and make it a closed profile. Escape. Now if it is done, click here and move it little bit. So it will get constrained once again. Finish sketch. Here take extrude, select this profile, take symmetric and take here dimension of 4 mm thickness. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. We have taken this profile little bit inside, okay, to make it join properly. Okay, now here you can see this is a joining profile and press OK. Go to home. Now here you can see this is a gap left. Here double click extrude 1. Okay. Now go to view, visual style and go to wireframe. Front view. Now here you can see the profile which we have made is not been selected inside. So go to profile and select this also. So we want a proper joining profile here. Otherwise it will make an error in fillet and press OK. Go to visual style, change it to shaded edges. Go to home. Now here you can see this is properly joined. Now here I want this same profile this side as well. Go to 3D model, take here mirror command. So go to mirror, select extrude 1, go to mirror plane, select here the middle plane, the YZ plane and press OK. Okay. Now here go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 1.5, go to edge selection, select this edge, select this, this outer and this outer. Okay, select here, rotate and select here. Okay, it is making it red, so I'll deselect these two, rotate and here also press shift and deselect. Now you can see it is making it proper. Apply. Now when I apply here, you can see this fillet will be made differently and select here, apply. Okay, so this will become a joining fillet. Now change the radius to 1, go to edge selection, select this, select here and select here, press OK. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate and here take rectangle command, take 2 point center rectangle. From this center point make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, define this 5.5 and here define this 5.5. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction to cut, so it will change to cut profile. Here we will take the distance, so the distance from top will be 10.5 mm. Okay, now go to more and here I'll give a taper of 3 degree, so it will expand outside. Okay, and press OK. Rotate the profile. Now I want a through cut, so select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point make here a circle of diameter 8.5, enter, finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction, take here extrude of 3.5. So this will be also cut profile and press OK. Go to home. Okay, when I rotate it, you can see this is a through profile now. Click on home. Now we'll give the appearance. So I'll take here the canary color. So you can define any color. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.